Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to become a tutor on Preply. Starting as a tutor on Preply feels a bit like setting up your own mini teaching business. You're not just signing up, you're presenting yourself. What I did was head to the Preply tutor page and create an account, either with email or something quick like Google. Once inside, the real work begins. I filled out my profile details, added a clear photo, listed subjects I can teach, and wrote a short description that actually sounds like me, not something robotic. One thing that really stands out is the intro video. It might feel awkward recording it, but it makes a huge difference when students are deciding who to book. I also set my availability and the pricing based on what I'm comfortable with. After submitting everything, it's just a waiting game while pre-apply reviews your profile. Quick tip: the more complete and genuine your profile looks, the better your chances of getting approved and getting students later on. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.